Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I show how to print a label with a printer or any other part using drawing. Let's start. Here is my user interface. Form size are static label. Welcome to Programming ABC. Grid and button. Page setup. Print preview. Print exit event. Exit event. Print event. Print preview and page setup. Page setup event. Save and generate Python code. No name. Rename print demo. wx form builder. Generate code. Remove this line. Set size and at the bottom or at the last. I write code. Class my app. wx app. Def on in it self 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 dot local local. This line is needed for setting up a printer. When we set up a printer, wx local local locally locally wx language English English. FRAME frame equal my FRAME. My frame 1 none. self self dot set set top window window frame 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 dot show show true true return return true true dep main double app equal my double p app false double p app dot main lwp main loop if name double equal wx dot name equal double quote main double quote close main my app. Now I run my project. It's not defined. Sorry. Point wx point button not button event not set yet. It's okay. My frame 1 and all this my app plus my app. Now we write button event. At first we write exit button event self self dot estroy destroy. Now we write page setup event. Before writing this, we need event set print data event self self dot print 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 data equal wx point print data wx print data. Now I write page setup dialog button event psdd page setup dialog data equal wx dot page setup setup dialog dialog data data self self dot print print data psdd dot enable enable printer printer enable printer true dialog dlg dialog equal wx page setup dialog dialog page setup dialog self self psdd self self print print data print data self point or dot self dot print data wx dot print print data data dlg dialog dot gt get page uf setup data data setup data dot get print print data get print data right before a line. After the line, dialog wx page setup dialog, then dlg dialog dot show model modal show model. This dialog show the page setup dialog. Now dlg dialog dot destroy destroy page setup dialog page setup event complete. Now I check. Edit, select all, format, untabify region for this same line and now run. Use capital letter true. Run again. Page setup dialog appear. Page type reiterate landscape portrait and margin millimeters. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. It is the first part of printing. Second part I will show this 2-button event, print preview and print. Keep watching and subscribe my channel.